Today I want to share with you a family recipe which is coming from my grandparents, so very old. Typically, when you do stuffed peppers, you put meat inside. This is a lean version with ratatouille. So, stuffed peppers with ratatouille. I can tell you it's delicious. And for the filler, you can use whatever you want. You can use a portion of the pepper that you take from the inside, and whatever ratatouille combination or recipe you like. I can tell you it's delicious, it's lean, it's good for vegan people also, and your guest will be delighted. If you have any questions on this recipe, please ask me below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video, and I have many more cooking recipes on my channel.